Hey everyone, if you are looking for a superb sedan, then check out this 2014 Dodge Avenger. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this red exterior color. You have some chrome outlining your grille with your Dodge badge on the side, and then you have these massive halogen headlamps up front. Then looking over to your wheels, those are alloy wheels in that 5-spoke design. Super great. They are 17 inches. And then this is a 2.4 liter inline-4 engine, which can get you about 30 miles a gallon on the highway. Looking down at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. Black cloth seats have kind of a mesh insert in the middle. Super comfortable, really well cushioned seats. Just feel really great sitting in them. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cruise controls on the front right there, media controls on the back. Then looking over to your media center, you have your LCD display, CD insert up top, all of your presets and everything. You do have an aux port right there as well. And then you have your climate controls below that with a 12-volt down here. You have 2 cup holders here in the middle. And then looking into your center console, you have 2 layers. You have this top layer, and then you have even more room down below, so lots of space. And let's look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers. You also have a cup holder on a second fold down and a way to get into the trunk. So if you want to keep some water bottles back there or a blanket or something, you can use that. And then making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps and that nice spherical design. And then let's take a look into the trunk. You do have a power trunk on your key fob. And then an enormous trunk. It is lots of room back there. So overall, great vehicle. Have that fuel efficiency, super comfortable seats, and lots of room inside. So if you want to see this Dodge Avenger or any of our other cars, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.